Hello and welcome to Casi-rusco University. In this video, we'll show you how to use passport or Gov't ID MRZ data with XPressEntry. Now, we assume in this video that you have XPressEntry installed, which you see in the middle of my screen here, and that you have your handheld installed and connected, which you see on the far right of my screen. Now, the very first thing you want to do is to ensure that you have your license. If you need the license to scan MRZ, please reach out to our sales team and we will generate a license for you. So once your license is generated and applied, you need to first go into Help and click on About and scroll down right to the end to ensure that you have the ID scan license. And this is mine in this case. Now, the next thing you want to do is to activate that license for your handheld reader. Remember that you have a number of licenses. In this case, I have 5. So you can only assign this to 5 readers within your environment. So let's go into Tools and Settings. On the Add Edit display, we need to show the ID scan options and hit Save. Now let us go into the Reader section. You select your reader. In this case, mine is the XP ID 200 Android 13. And under the ID scan options, I'll just expand here. You can assign the ID scan license and hit Save. Now, the next thing you want to do is to activate the ID scanning option on the handheld. So let's go back into the settings and go into handheld functionality. And we want to say use MRZ scan. Now, we also want to configure the system in such a way that if it encounters a badge or ID with an MRZ data, a passport that it doesn't have the data in XPressEntry, it would prompt you to create a new user as a visitor. So in this case, you want to activate the Enable Visitor Entry option and hit Save. Once you do that, you will see the pop-up for the MRZ scan right here, and you can see the visitor entry scan also right here. Now that we have all that set up, let us scan the MRZ and see how this works. Let's take a picture. We can hit Submit, and the user is created as a visitor in the system. So let's just search in the system and see how that is entered. And as you can see, the visitor is created here on the system with all the data from the passport number, and is checked in as a visitor. So the next time you come into the system, all you have to do is to scan the passport again, and it will check you in as a typical badge entry. And this is how it works. You can use the MRZ to check in visitors or to use as a point of entry through your handhelds on pretty much any of your applications. Now, this brings an end to the demonstration of this feature. Please feel free to reach out to us at helpdesk@Casi-rusco.com for any technical queries or sales@Casi-rusco.com for any product inquiries. Thank you.